How's it going, everybody? This is Josh with Be Known. I'm sitting here with Phil Markijohn from Florida Homes and Realty, FHRM. I want to introduce you guys to Phil. If you don't know him, a lot of you do know him. I'm going to let Phil tell you a little bit about what we're going to talk about today, and this is all based for you guys, okay? So, Phil, take it away.
Hey everyone, how you doing today? I'm Phil. Some of you know me as the Gourmet Realtor. Well, hey guys, I got to tell you something. The KV Core, I've had it for about a year and I couldn't figure it out. So I was searching around and I find these guys at BKU University. I hooked up with them. I bought into their program. They sent it to me. And if any of you know me, you know I am not a very technological person. However, I was able to take the courses that they sent step by step. I put two computers next to each other. I would watch the program on one computer and literally do it on the other computer. And I gotta say, I spent a couple of days during the COVID lockdown to get this done. And I did have to reach out to them several times, and they have a great support system. Long story short, I got it up and running. I got it hooked into my Facebook ads, and I'm spending $10 a day, and I'm getting more leads than I can handle. So the next thing I did, I went and told James about it. James had a little meeting with these guys and gave us the blessing to share this to all y'all. And I absolutely recommend it.
That is great to hear, Phil. So what we talked about, Phil and I sat around and we talked just before we talked to James. And we were talking about the fact that, with all the agents that are part of FHRM, only a few of you, like a very, very small percentage of you guys, are using the tools that FHRM, gives to you guys for that small $35 rate. I mean, you guys get KB Core, which is one of the most powerful CRMs and personally one of my favorite CRMs out there. Two, you get Dot Loop, right? And then you also get Circle Picks. So what we decided to do through BKU was we decided we're going to build out a course just for you guys. So that way, when you're using those tools for that low rate, instead of spending hundreds of dollars on another CRM and that's all you get, why not do this for that $35 rate? We're going to build the whole course for you guys that shows you how to use your KB Core, that shows you how to use your Circle Picks, and then how to set up your Facebook business page, how to set up a lead generation campaign and get yourself some leads coming in. Now, Phil, I believe we're under what? We're under $2 a lead for you right now?
So right now, my leads are costing me just under $2 a lead. And I would say an average of 1 out of maybe 15 or so people are reaching out through the system. They're answering back. I have a small percentage of people that just say it's the wrong number. But I would say I have in 3 weeks time, 5 people I have moved into talking with a lender. So I would say at this point, I'm about 1 out of 20 that I have talking to a lender. So at less than $2 a lead, someone that's actually going to see houses is like, maybe I got less than 40 bucks in that good lead. And I just started out with this system. And I know from what I've learned on this system, it's like if you had a brand new Mercedes. What I have learned about this system doesn't even scratch the wax off of what this system can do. It's incredible. So I'm really excited to keep learning more about this system and get it up and running because it's doing the work for me. It's absolutely doing the work for me.
Now, that's one thing I wanted to share with you guys real quick. As far as doing the work for him, that's what the biggest key right there, if you heard that, pay attention to that right now, because what we're going to show you how to do is set up your business on autopilot. So once you've built your ad out to have your ads running and to generate buyers leads, what's going to happen is we're going to show you how to really put your KV Core into overdrive. Really simple video walkthroughs. There's also downloadable guides with little arrows and everything. I mean, you can't skip a beat on how to do it. And if you can't figure it out, there's plenty of ways to reach out to us, okay? So we've got a Facebook group, we've got phone numbers, we've got set an appointment, we have tech support to help you guys out every step of the way. There's no dumb question. We will help you. Now, that autopilot thing we were talking about, where the work's doing it for you, we have figured out how to set up KV Core to basically do everything for you except pick up the phone and call. I mean, we're going to help you out to where you're going to have leads coming in through your Facebook and Instagram. You're going to be able to look into KV Core and see that a text has gone out and reached out to that lead. An email's gone out and reached out to that lead. We're going to help you set up drip campaigns. We're going to help you set up the saved search alerts. I mean, we're dialing this thing in to where everything comes in from that lead, and you know that John Smith is looking for a $400,000 home in this area. He needs 3 bedrooms, he needs 2 bathrooms, and he needs a small backyard for his wife's dog, right? I mean, it's that simple, and all you got to do is pick up the phone and call. And 1 out of 15 is excellent numbers, I'll tell you that. If you've ever worked internet leads, I mean, most places that you go to, it's going to be 1 out of every 100. And that's when you're paying hundreds, if not thousands of dollars for a lead generation company or one of the big box companies. We won't say any names. But here with this platform, we're showing you how to do it yourself. We're putting the power back in the agent's hands so that you can take your home shoppers to keys in the hands. Right, Phil?
Yeah, absolutely. And if you have any questions, you can reach out to me. Once you get up and running, I'm going to do another video and show you how I manage the leads. And the hardest part for me was to let the system do the work. It's basically, I see a lead come in, I want to pick up and start calling and texting. Well, sometimes you do need to call, but for the most part, you just let it go. The system, it starts to send them homes, just like if you were sitting there picking them out yourself and sending them to them. And then when they react to anything, be it one of your text messages, one of your emails, the system lets you know. Then you take a look, see what they said, and then you pick up the phone and give them a call.
One of the main things that Phil and I talked about was how can we put this tool into your guys' hands and not cost an arm and a leg. And Phil strong-armed me. I mean, he twisted my arm and he worked and he said, hey, I really want to get my guys.
I told you we have over 2,000 agents.
He twisted my arm and he hammered us down. And, this is a normal $600 a month course. There's other courses out there that cost $1,500, $10,000, everything. But what we're doing for Phil, because we like Phil, Phil's an awesome guy. We really like the FHRM platform and the program that you guys have is, he got us down to a low price. And you guys aren't even going to believe this, $50 a month to learn how to do this stuff. Constant updates going on in the universe.
With no contract. That's month to month.
Contract, month to month. You guys are going to sign up. You're going to get access to everything that we put in there. Not only that, but everything that Phil wants to give us on his coaching, on his lead follow-up, anything he wants to give us, and anything that we have that can help benefit you guys for FHRM, we're giving away for a low $50 cost. I can't even believe I'm saying that. We want you to click the link. That link's going to drive you direct to Phil's course that has everything from BKU University and everything that Phil gives us to put in there to really help put your business into overdrive and get you guys rocking and rolling and learning how to use these tools that you get already with FHRM for a low $35 cost. I mean, for under $100, you guys, you're getting circle picks, you're getting KV Core, you're getting dot loop, you're getting BKU University. You're getting everything that Phil wants to tell you about, wants to show you how to do, and make you just the rock star agent that you can be. I mean, I know people out there that are probably watching this video or spending $400 just on a CRM. Easy, right? Why wouldn't you want all of those combined into one?
Hey, I was a $6,000 a month Zillow guy last year. And I got to say, it paid off. However, it's a little stressful. That's a little stressful. And this isn't. I love this. I wish I'd have learned how to do this when I start paying for KV Core a year ago. But and that's it's never too late to start. Never too late to start.
And like Phil said, he's not a very tech person, especially for the guys who know him. I mean, we had to do a lot of work with Phil, and that's fine. We're okay with that. We have 70-year-old, people on this platform that are learning how to do it and are converting leads as we speak right now. I have multiple clients that are, from all ages, and it's very, very easy. It's in English, you guys. It's not in tech language. You know, it's very easy to figure out, and at any time you can reach out to us and we will walk you through the steps and help you get there and get to that successful point. So I want to thank everybody for watching. I want to thank you guys for tuning into this really and just taking the time to listen to Phil and I talk. And, you know, again, I want you guys to click the link and get started today. Get that going. This is Phil's special offer that he's twisted our arm for. The link will be here or here or here or there. I don't know. It's going to be somewhere around there. But Phil's giving it away, basically. You know, you can't do much more than $50. Again, for under $100, you guys are going to have all of the tools that, you know, you possibly can to really put your business in overdrive. So signing off, this is Josh with Be Known University and Mr. Phil Markijohn. We love you, Phil.
Everyone, thanks for watching.